million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me know it's your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some synthetic drip, and it's not on this bopper that is on my head. This wig surprised the heck out of me. This review has already gone up. If you look down in the description box, I put a direct link to this bad boy because you need her. But we are in the middle of a red and blonde series on this channel, so y'all probably because I got so many. If it's synthetic hair, it's gonna be red or blonde for probably the next 2 months, because I purchased way too many of them. Human hair still be whatever, but synthetic, we just focused on red and blonde, and we've had some winners, okay? This next one that I am going to review, I picked up with my own coins because I find it's a company that we have winners with them sometimes, but then we have some big losers. So we're gonna try it, bam. And I got a couple of wigs by Main Concept because Elevate Styles just dropped like, it seemed like 50 of them in different blondes, so I got a whole bunch. This one by Main Concept is in the style RCHS204 Alma, A-L-M-A, and I got in the color BTP/caramel. Alma comes with a 5-inch part with baby hair, blah, 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 okay? That's how she looks on the stock card, okay? This caramel color is a bop. The only thing I've done, like always, is cut off the lace because I like to do everything with y'all on camera. But look at that caramel color. Just straight out the pack in my hand, this looks like a Butter 13 dupe, right? Super pretty. Comb to back, adjustable straps, ear to ear lace, that curved part, comb to the right, comb to the left, and baby hairs. All right, let's take this one off. Let's put Alma on, and then we're gonna come back and discuss her. Be right back. So you know I was preparing to talk so much trash about this wig, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at that, y'all. Yeah, in my opinion, you could pluck that part, but that aside, y'all, this is gorgeous. I think I like this better than Butter 13, y'all. All the layers, the flips, the dips, and y'all know what that means. Y'all know I'm gonna have to go get her in other colors. I don't see, oh, she comes in 11B. This is the caramel. She comes in 1B30, 2730. There's another color called Biscotti, and that's that blonde. And then she comes in a burgundy as well. I should have got it in burgundy too, but you know, blonde's here, so I just, y'all, regardless, this one is a bop. Okay, now most of these red and blonde wigs go up on Poshmark because y'all know I like being bald. This one is one that's not. Because this is like clothing haul hair. Just go steal out of Target and nobody suspect you because your hair's so pretty here, right? Not that I do that. But you get what I'm saying, right? Y'all, this is gorgeous. You 1000% need Alma, and I'm kind of excited because y'all, I got a whole bunch of Main Concept wigs. If you following like wig drops, by Main Concept, I got Alice, I got Orpheus in 2 colors. I got Lennon, Grace, Briella, and Gianna. Yeah, I told y'all I went crazy. But yes, you definitely need to go get Alma, like right now. Like like I always say, maybe you aren't into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Alma. Maybe it's your Uncle Arthur, whichever one, y'all. Yes, ma'am, been bound. Okay, look a little shiny. I'm gonna put some dry shampoo on it, but look at that thing. Yeah, this is it. Go get this one. Next, we are going to do, this was Alma. Next, I'm gonna do Alice. That's another main concept. Let's see if we like her as much. Until next time, which is gonna be like 5 minutes. Maybe a day for you. Hi.